Through the humanity, natural disasters are things that happen normally, but due to the climate change, it has been noted that these numbers have increased a lot. Around the world, many of these have been presented. For example, that the temperature records have been broken. In 2019 was a year of the most active period of cyclones. This breaking more records and records of natural disasters. And this affects us in a way that we have more problems that we need to solve.
The relationship between climate change and natural disasters exists. Climate change refers to the change in temperature over a long period of time, which leads to a warmer planet. Extreme climate causes fires and drought. For example, the fire in Australia at the beginning of the year. This was caused by the change in climate, and because the climate is stronger, the fire becomes more intense, impacting the ecosystem.
The climate change affects the ecosystem because there are natural disasters. Climate change makes the temperature rise up and feel warmer. This causes more forest fires, and that the poles melt so that the water's level rises and causes flooding more frequently in the rainy seasons.
And finally, the views about how the increase of the temperature is causing the hurricanes and a lot of natural disasters. So, in the future, we are going to have a lot of this because we are destroying our world.